Hi everyone, it's Patti from Lakeshore. So today's all about creating some really easy but fun learning activities for your kids at home using a common everyday item that you've got lying around the house. Ready to get started? So your kids are at home. At this point, they're probably engaging with their schools and teachers in one way or another, whether it's online lessons or activities that they're completing. Either way, this might be things that are keeping them busy for a big part of the day. They could be getting through that work really quickly, or there might not be a lot of interaction with their schools. Whatever the case, you may be looking for some other great fun learning activities that kids could do in their downtime. So today, I'm going to show you a really easy way to create 3 different learning activities that kids could do independently on their own using a simple item that you've got laying around the house, an egg carton. Activity 1, an observation station. Give your kids the egg carton and ask them to go out on a hunt, collecting all kinds of interesting things and putting them in each of the sections of the egg carton. This could be things they find outside, like special rocks, leaves, flower petals, or they could just go for the hunt around the house and find things like a small miniature animal collection, some fun erasers, anything that they find that would fit into the egg carton. Once they've gathered all their items, now they have an observation station. Tell them to take a really close look at all the objects that they've collected. If you've got a magnifying glass, have them look through the magnifying glass, or use your phone. Sometimes you can look really closely at objects that way. Tell them specifically as they're looking to try to find things about that object that they've never noticed before. They can even draw that on a piece of paper or write down some of their observations. At the end of the day, ask them to tell you all about the observations they made from their observation station. Then the next day or later that week, have them go out and find new objects. Activity 2, shake and count math game. For this activity, besides your egg carton, you're going to need a small handful, maybe about 20 or 30, of either beans or elbow macaroni or small pebbles, whatever you can find that would fit into the egg carton compartments. Take your egg carton and at the bottom of each of the compartments, write a numeral. For little ones, keep those numerals anywhere from 0 to 5 or 0 to 9. For older kids, you can write bigger numbers. Once you've done that, teach your kids this quick and easy math game that they can either play by themselves, they can play with you, or with other brothers and sisters. Take the objects that you collected, whether they're beans or macaroni or pebbles. I collected beans, and count out 20 of them and put it in a pile. Then take 2 more and put it in the egg carton. Here's how you play the game. Once the beans are in the egg carton, close it up and tell your kids to shake it. Then open it up and look and see what numerals did it land on. Ask your kids to add those 2 numerals together and then count out that number of beans to make their own pile. Then close the egg carton and shake again. If they're playing by themselves, make it a race to 20 game. Have them continue to shake and add and count out beans until they've gotten all 20 of them. How many rounds did it take for them to do that? Then have them play again. Can they beat their number of rounds? Playing with brothers and sisters or with you, you can play it so that each person takes a turn. The person with the highest number wins the round. Then keep playing, and the person who wins 10 rounds first is the winner. Activity 3, make a steady hand game. Here's a great game for little ones to build their fine motor skills, which is going to help them later when they're writing. To play this game, what you'll need is either the beans or the macaroni or some small objects like the ones we used in the last game, and a set of tweezers. Here's how you play. Put an object in each of the sections of the egg carton and give your child the tweezers. Tell them that in this game they have to have a real steady hand. Use the tweezers to take out each item from the different sections of the egg carton. If they were able to do it without touching the sides, they put it in one pile. If they accidentally touched the sides, they put it in the other pile. Have them keep practicing until they can take out each item without touching the sides of the egg carton. There you have it, 3 really fun and easy activities that your kids can do in their free time using a simple egg carton. You can even challenge them and see if they can come up with some other activities that can use an egg carton. We'd love to hear about them. Talk to you soon.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.